ready to turn your TapMob platform into a non-stop revenue stream. Let's dive straight into how you can generate serious income with TapMob's advertising and monetization strategies. First, log into your TapMob dashboard. To kick things off, click on the Campaigns tab. This is where the magic happens. Create a new campaign and carefully define your target audience. Think demographics, interests, and even device types. Now, craft compelling ad creatives. Use eye-catching images and persuasive copy. Remember, a great ad grabs attention instantly. It is time to set your budget and bidding strategy. Start with a moderate budget and experiment with different bidding options to find what works best for you. Next, keep a close eye on your analytics. TapMob's analytics dashboard is your best friend. Track impressions, clicks, conversions, and cost per acquisition. Use A/B testing to optimize your ads. Test different headlines, images, and calls to action to see what resonates most with your audience. Don't forget to leverage TapMob's resources. They offer guides, tutorials, and even support to help you improve your campaign performance. By consistently optimizing your campaigns and staying informed, you can unlock your true earning potential on TapMob. Now go turn those taps on and watch the money flow.